Folks, this trade is gonna be the swing trade, and we are directly on the 3-month chart without wasting any time. So let's get started. So on the DXY chart, you could see that we have entered into this. You can see that what is this high? 257 and 395. We have entered into a 3-month bearish fair value gap here. So from this 3-month bearish fair value gap to this sell side would be our higher time frame target, you could say. 3-month bearish fair value gap to the sell side would be our higher time frame target. You can see that on the weekly chart we have this breaker block here which we have tapped into. So from this breaker block to the sell side would be our target, and there is no higher time frame bias on the EU. So let's go to the daily chart. Just a second. So if we check on the daily time frame of the euro US dollar, you could see a bullish fair value gap here which is being respected by euro USD. So you could see that here this bullish fair value gap is being respected by euro USD, whereas the same, if I put vertical lines here, you can see that here the same bearish fair value gap on the daily time frame is being disrespected. You can see a bearish fair value gap here is being disrespected, and price made a buy side liquidity sweep. So this also was swept, and there is a second stage SMT where this high was also swept here, whereas euro didn't sweep this low here. You can see that it made a higher high here also. So this would be our two-stage SMT. So this would be our two-stage SMT, where you can see that a bullish fair value gap is being respected by euro USD, whereas the same bearish fair value gap was being disrespected and price made a buy side liquidity sweep. And on there is a second stage SMT here, where you can see that another second stage SMT where this bullish fair value gap is being respected. I will change the color to white, whereas the same bearish fair value gap here was being disrespected and price made a buy side sweep. You can see the high here 100.360, and what is this? 100.395. so you can see that two stages empty. So this is being confirmed after this. So after this you could see that here on the 1 hour chart. So let me mark the market structure shift plus first. So this would be our market structure shift. So if we check, you can see that here the bodies of the candle have already closed above. Then the 4 hour with displacement leg, you can see that here, and the 2 hour also, and the 1 hour also. So this would be considered our market structure shift. So after this, guys, then where would, if price has swept the buy side liquidity on DXY chart and the higher time frame, 3-month time frame says bearish, where would the price move? It will definitely move to the sell side liquidity. Whereas if we check here, if price respects this bullish fair value gap, where would the higher time frame move? It will definitely move to this buy side liquidity here. So after SMT, daily SMT, so I entered the swing trade here. So I haven't entered on my real account still, guys, because I want price to retrace a bit.